Now in this series tutorial I will show you a live web design with project. You can see web design project. Okay, it's very simple project for beginners, that how to design it with only HTML and CSS. Okay, you can see it's a home. I have write it just as an example. Okay, you can see how to make this. Okay, how to make this simple template with only HTML and CSS. This is our contact page. You can see it's our category page, our social sharing option. You can see it's advertised. I'm designing it just showing you for beginners that how to make it. You can see image gallery, our post. When you click the post, it will view the post page. Okay, you can see when click the contact page, it will highlight it and contact page open. Okay, here you can see our all categories. It's our home page. You can see search box, category post, latest post will be here. It will be scrollable. Okay, and one single advertised here, just a footer. You can see it's a social sharing sidebar. I mean site floating. It's fixed. It will not be scrolled. Okay, you can see it's all logo advertised. Just you can see in our project directory, just some page and one single CSS file, also some image. Okay, so I will show you in this project, I mean series project. Okay, you will gradually one by one. I will completely within some few tutorials just for beginners, so that I will show you that how to just mark up only HTML and CSS this project. Okay, you can see privacy page. I write it as an example, just dummy text. Okay, you can see this is our advertising, this is our logo, about page, home page. Some post will be appear here. You can see when you click here, it will redirect to the post page. You can see post.php, sorry, post.html, contact.html, etc. It's a static website. Okay, so thank you.